Hello again, guys. I hope you're great, and I'll show you a little tutorial how to install PDF Adobe Reader, and for free. It's a good solution. And first of all, go to open your web browser, Google Chrome or Edge, whatever you want, and type here Adobe Free PDF Reader. And as you see here, Adobe Reader PDF devices to view print and blah, blah. And click that, and you'll see it here and here. Install Acrobat for Google Chrome, but I don't want to make cafe, and this just download. See how I have on my desktop. It's really fast. Folder. I have some PDF and run as administrator and leave it to finish. And for me, as you see, I have installed old new version program. See here. See here. Adobe Acrobat. Finished. And you see that to be all. I have, see, I have all these Adobe programs, and I have Acrobat Reader, PDF, and everything. So, and Photoshop and this Adobe and Premiere Pro. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.